Good afternoon, everyone. This is Priyaranjani studying in degree first year. Like most emergence technologies, the development of drone technology is propelled and due to its military use. And this first use of drones is in fact early in the 1849, and this drone is used in various tasks such as pesticides and fertilization and inspection of roads, railways and delivering medicines. And the topic which I had chosen is the role of drone technology in the agriculture sector. The aspects which is related to the agriculture sector is crop monitoring, in which the drone is helpful for monitoring the crops growth, and it also helps to detect its diseases and help to monitor the soil degradation. And it's also help for precise farming, in which it gives the data to the farmers relating to the crops health and about the diseases. And next, it's also help in crop scouting, in which it analyzes the crop and give information to the farmer about the disease which it gets. And it's also help in irrigation management. The drone which helpful for the farmers to what extent the water is used, and it will also help the water reduce. Next, autonomous farming. It helps in autonomous farming. And next, the benefits of this agriculture in the drone technology is it will improve the efficiency, in which it analyzes fastly and help the farmers to produce, helps in improvement of environmental impacts, reduce water usage, and to what extent the chemicals should be used, and also reduce the chemicals usage. And the limitations are some of the limitations and challenges are high-intended investments, data analysis and data security. And I conclude that this drone technology in agriculture, it will help for improving the efficiency and improve the crop management, and to improve the reduce of chemical usage and environmental impact in the agriculture. Thank you.